Hi, my name is Inka Price from D&G New Homes and welcome to the Colt collection in Foxrock. Join me as we step inside Beachside, our beautifully designed show home, and discover what these remarkable homes have to offer. Foxrock is one of South Dublin's most prestigious residential addresses, with its charming village atmosphere, renowned schools including Loreto Foxrock, Blackrock College and St Andrews, excellent sporting amenities, nearby Lewis connections and easy access to UCD. Foxrock offers the perfect balance of lifestyle, convenience and community. It's a place where families put down roots, generations choose to stay, and quality living comes naturally. For more information, contact D&G New Homes today.